Welcome to the Beginner Drawing Course Week 4, Quick Sketching. Everyone wants to be fast, but you should also want to enjoy the process. Today, I will teach you how to get through your ideas quickly so that you can get rid of the ones that are not working and spend good time finishing the strong ones. When it comes to speed, don't worry too much. When I say speed, I don't mean drawing fast. I mean letting go of what does not work quickly. What does work for me is to start with a rough idea. I'm not concerned with line quality, detail, or finish. Instead, we focus on gesture, feeling, and what we like. If I'm drawing a character, I start with the head and spine, then I work out the torso and limbs. If I'm drawing a landscape, I sketch big shapes inside of thumbnails until I like how they sit. Speed is only useful for laying out an idea quickly, but not so much for the finer parts of the process. It's okay to delete many of the first goes if they aren't feeling right. Eventually, something will catch and you'll feel like things are going your way. Build on what you like for 5 to 15 minutes, then step back and ask yourself, how would I finish this? And that's the question we will answer in the next lesson. Your assignment is to get through 25 drawings that you do like and get rid of at least 50 that you don't. Happy drawing.